Well, as 2021 comes to a close, United Way of Madison County is committed to spreading hope, and Community Impact Director Kathy Miller joins us now. Kathy, we know it has been another challenging year for so many in our community.
It absolutely has, Melissa, and we're so grateful. First of all, we're going to say thank you for letting us end the year with you.
Oh, of course.
And thanks to so many people in the community that have been generous to support the work of United Way and its partners during this time. We are in a growing, fast-growing community. The pandemic on top of that, we are seeing challenges we've never seen before, but we are championing that there is hope if we all come together. And so that's really my message today is, can we do this together and perhaps break a mold for some fast-growing cities in terms of how we care for people?
Right, because you're looking at not only needs today, but needs tomorrow and in the coming year. And, and as you work to meet those, you're working with some partner agencies.
Absolutely. And we'd love, love, love to have them all standing here with us, Melissa.
It's a great group.
It is a great group. 25 partners, 35 programs that United Way invests donor dollars in and is very accountable. And these agencies have, there is no other word I can use but courageous during this time. And the nonprofit sector in general has really stood up, and maybe a lot of people don't know that they've been bringing hope to individuals who didn't know, just like all of us, didn't know what was going on and how to respond in this very uncertain time when it's like being in a fog and you can't see, you know, a few feet in front of you. That's so frightening and so anxiety building for so many people. And yet these agencies did not close their doors, did not give up, stood in and did what they could when they couldn't do what they normally do. And we are just speechless at working with them and continuing the consistent funding that our community allows us to do with them when so much else was uncertain.
Yeah, I was really touched as we've done these interviews throughout the year with the United Way and the agencies, the creativity that they came about. They said, okay, we can't help people the way we used to. How can we help them, and how can we help all these additional people who are coming to us because of, you know, hard times or job loss or medical crises and things of that nature?
It really comes with a growing community, which we already knew was coming before the pandemic, and then we laid that over, and that brings some special challenges. So we really want the community to know how much we've appreciated their support. But we have a lot of people that aren't involved with United Way in this community, a lot of new people maybe that knew their United Way in their home community, and we would love to connect with them in a big way. And actually we have a great opportunity tomorrow, Melissa. Russ Russell, who is a lovely commercial real estate person here, is bringing Ruff the real estate dog. I understand the only mascot for real estate as far as we know. And he's coming to United Way at 1 o'clock to do a check presentation with us. And we'd like to invite the community to come safely. We're still in COVID, so come and be in our parking lot. It's going to be beautiful, sunny, a little cool day. Bring a donation if you haven't given yet, or if you can give a little more, and come and celebrate community with us at 1 o'clock at United Way. That's 701 Andrew Jackson Way here in Huntsville.
Should be a lot of fun. Yeah, this is the time of year with the holidays and the end of year. A lot of people are considering donations, so great avenue there to consider. Well, Kathy, thank you so much. And, you know, if you would like to learn more about the work of United Way of Madison County or get involved yourself, either through an end of year donation, by visiting tomorrow, or volunteering, lots of opportunities to get involved and invest in your community. Visit WHNT.com and just look for this story under Noon Interviews.